In today's video, we're going to go over the top 5 companies I buy lure parts from in 2019. Stay tuned. Okay, number 1 in our top 5, and these are in no particular order. Also, I want to add, I have no affiliations with these companies other than as a customer. But I wanted to share these because I get this question all the time. Where do you get those parts from? And the other thing is, I don't care if I share this stuff. I don't sell lures. I make this as a hobby and here to teach you. So it doesn't bother me to share this stuff. I have, like I said, it's not a big secret. We're going to start out with the first on our list, which is Rock Island Custom Rigs and Jigs. May never have heard of them. They're not one of the big names, but it's an eBay store. Really good pricing, good shipping costs, even though it has some free shipping offers and everything, and a wide variety, especially of do-it molds and spinner blades and such like that. Really like that shop, and I've used them quite often. So for number 1, here's the link right here or up here, wherever I'm going to put it, but it's Rock Island Custom Rigs and Jigs on eBay. Okay, second one on our list is going to be the big one that most people know, Lure Parts Online. Lure Parts Online probably has the widest selection I've found. And another thing I really like about them is they carry a lot of soft plastics, no name, no brand, just their own. They're coming in just a poly bag, but they're made by the same company that makes Yum and like Big Bite Baits, Cabela's. It's a company down in Georgia, which you have to buy wholesale from. When back in the day, I bought a little bit from them. But great selection on Lure Parts Online. I really like their prices on those soft plastics. The second thing I like about Lure Parts Online is that they now own a forum called Tackle Underground. If you are interested in lure making or you are already making lures, I suggest you go to Tackle Underground. Join, observe. If you have questions, use that search function. If you've ever been on a forum, everyone talks about search function first. That way you don't ask the same question that's been answered 475 times. So again, Lure Parts Online, Tackle Underground, that's number 2 on my list. Number 3, Jan's Netcraft. It's located here in Ohio. Great selection, just like Lure Parts Online. The one thing they do have is these little single shot soft plastics. I'm going to do a review of one of them here in the future. They also have a lot of net making supplies, thus the Netcraft, and also great pricing and everything. I go back and forth with all of these companies, pricing, shipping, seeing what the best deal I can get. So again, Jan's Netcraft, here's the link, and we're going to move on. Next up on our list, number 4, is Barlows Tackle. Barlows I just started using last year, and I had a great experience with them when I ordered some parts, and within, I'd say, a half hour, I got a call from them say, hey, there was a mistake in our inventory. We didn't have these. Here are alternates, and we'd like to keep you as a customer and cover it. You know, they went out of their way to do that, and they could have just shot me an email, but they actually gave me a call, and I really appreciated that. Barlows also has some good supplies, just like the other ones, but again, that customer service went a long way with me. All right, rounding off my top 5, again, in no particular order, but this is one, if you're making spinner baits or anything, it's a great company, fishingskirts.com. One, you're going to save a lot of money on your fishing skirts, especially if you buy a lot of tabs to make your own. 2, they've got more colors than you can shake a stick at. Also carry some custom jigs and everything there. But again, if you're making silicone skirts for your spinner baits, your jigs, or anything like that, give fishingskirts.com a look. outstanding as far as pricing and everything. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, hit like. Also, I would like to hear where you get your lure parts from. You know, let's share this stuff, and just put it in the comments below, and maybe I'll make another video later on in the year after I've tried them out. Again, if you like videos like this, you know, do me a favor, hit subscribe. That way you know when I'm going to have some more come out and everything, and that little bell for notifications, that'll let you know when I do put those new videos out. In the meantime, tight lines.